Only melees.
I'll put my stuff away.
But you can use hook shots.
Yo, what's the team? What's the teams? What's the teams?
What is the teams actually?
Yo, my guy, what's the team? What's the team?
Alright.
Hey, what's the teams? What's the
Is
teams?
this a melee? Is this a melee?
What's the team?
Technically, yes, but it can still be thrown. I would have passed. I would have passed.
I mean, you can throw a boomerang down.
Yeah, you can throw an axe also.
You could-
So that because if that's allowed, that can be allowed also. At least it's like no actual
Yeah,
guns.
but what are the teams?
All right. So, okay, I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Whoever the first two I pick are on team. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If you want it, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You're on a team with eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If you want it, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You're on a team with me. So then
Okay,
you
so
two
I'm
together.
I guess we don't.
All right, everybody, back away from each other. Back away from each other. Yo, monkey man, grab a weapon. Let's go. Woo! No bees. All right, follow me. Once I count down and it reaches to 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
That's not fair. They're double team.
That's how the game works.
I got one.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, dude.
You know.
I'm already dead. I'm already dead.
All right, your teammate is down.
Alright, I'm dead. If you die, can you keep going?
No, now we gotta choose new teams.